Hello, welcome to Macuse Signature Kitchen. Today I'm making a refreshing homemade citrus drink that is bursting with fresh, vibrant flavor. It's sweet, tangy, and incredibly refreshing, and the perfect drink for hot summer days. Let's get started.
Let's cook something unforgettable.
For this recipe, you will need 2 oranges, 2 lemon, 1 for garnish, 2 lime, a bunch of fresh mint, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 4 cups of water. First, cut and squeeze the juice from 1 orange into a small bowl.
Bringing flavor, bringing life. Every recipe made with heart. Right here is where the flavors start. Welcome to Macuse Signature Kitchen, where every meal is made with vision, from the spices to the flame.
Next, thinly slice the remaining orange, 1 lemon, and the limes.
Taste the love in every bite, cooking dreams day and night. Come together, take a seat. In this kitchen, life tastes sweet. Hear the sizzle in the pan, cooking like a master plan. Colors dancing on the stove, every flavor starts to glow.
From sweet desserts to savory delights, every plate feels just right. Simple food turned masterpiece.
One more bite, you can't resist. Welcome to Macuse Signature Kitchen.
Arrange the slices in the pitcher, alternating the citrus for a beautiful presentation.
Every dish got its own name. Taste the love in every bite, cooking dreams day and night. Come together, take a seat in this kitchen.
Remove the stems from the fresh mint leaves, then roughly chop the leaves and add them to the pitcher.
Every flavor tells a tale.
Every dish will never fail.
From the stove to your soul,
Cooking makes the spirit whole. If you're hungry, come on in. Let the flavor journey begin. Welcome to Macuse.
Add some of the sugar, then gently mash everything together to release the fresh citrus juices and the mint flavor.
Cooking something fresh for you. Taste the love, feel the heat. Every dish is a special treat.
Now add the remaining sugar and pour in the fresh orange juice and mix well until everything is combined.
Cook alone.
Next, pour in your cool water, then add the vanilla extract and the cinnamon sticks. Stir well until the sugar is completely dissolved and all the ingredients are well combined.
Macuse Signature Kitchen. Let's cook something unforgettable.
Let the drink chill for a minute so all the flavor can blend together. And that is it, a refreshing homemade citrus drink that is simple, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. You can serve with ice if you want. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss another delicious recipe from Macuse Signature Kitchen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking.
Meals to late night bites, bringing flavor, bringing life. Every recipe made with heart. Right here is where the flavors start. Welcome to Macuse.